Welcome to the new video. We hope you have a good day. In part 1 of the duology about the Prague public transportation system, we introduced you to the different types of public transport available, showed you how to get from the airport to the city, then we guided you through the metro system, and also explained everything you need to know about buying tickets and using the PID Lítačka app. In this video, in part 2, we will introduce you to the Prague's main train station, including the adjacent park called Little Sherwood, connections to other public transport, including the direct line to the Prague Airport, the interior and layout of the platforms, and also the historic building, including its amazing cafes. We will also show you how to buy a ticket if you want to travel to the suburban areas of Prague. Prague's main train station is the largest and most important railway station in the Czech Republic, centrally located in the Prague's Vinohrady district, very close to the city centre. This park in front of the station provides a pathway between the train station and nearby areas such as Wenceslas Square. However, its safety can be a concern, especially at night. During the day, the park is generally safe. Many commuters, tourists and locals walk through it, and you can see often police patrols there. But try to avoid walking there alone at night. At the beginning of this year, the Prague City Hall installed new benches with partitions to prevent people from lying on them. It aimed at improving safety as it used to be frequented by homeless individuals. The station is well integrated with Prague's public transport network. It has a metro station, the Red Line C, tram stops, and bus stops. The entrance to Metro, Red Line C, is located directly in the main hall of Prague main train station. Just follow the red M signs for Metro C. The tram stops are located outside of the station and are just a few minutes away from the main building. You need to exit the main hall, then turn right and walk along the park towards Bolzanova Street. The buses, including the direct airport express bus line to Václav Havel Airport, are located on the upper road level on Wilsonova Street, in front of the historic Fantova building. The airport express stop is on the left. You can learn more about this bus line in part 1. The station serves numerous local and international routes. It offers a wide range of amenities, including waiting areas, restrooms, luggage storage, information desks, and ticket offices. There are also various shops, cafes, and restaurants. The station is equipped with facilities for disabled passengers, including elevators, ramps, and accessible restrooms. The main train station has 7 platforms and 14 tracks. The south and north platforms refer to different sections of the station where trains arrive and depart. Here's how they are organized. North platforms is the section located closer to the main entrance and the historical Art Nouveau hall, and is used primarily for long-distance and international trains. And why is the North platform section marked with the letter S? It's because in Czech language North is sever. If you enter the station from the main hall near Wilsonova Street, you will typically head straight or slightly to the right to access these platforms. South platforms is the section located further away from the main entrance, near the southern part of the station. It is marked with the letter J, because south in Czech language is jich. Primarily, it's used for regional and suburban trains serving destinations within the Czech Republic. You can see the train platform assignments on these electronic departure boards.
Will arrive at platform number 4, North section.
Now let's see the station's beautiful historical section, designed by Joseph Fanta. The Art Nouveau building is noted for its decorative details and impressive dome. It's worth a visit, whether you are just passing through the station or simply exploring Prague's architectural treasures. There are 2 cafes, each with its own unique charm, and both are among our favorites. Foyer Café is elegant and sophisticated, offering a selection of light snacks, coffee and drinks in a refined atmosphere. Fanta's Café, located in the stunning Art Nouveau dome, features intricate decoration, a great selection of refreshments, and a truly serene escape from the bustling station below. From the historical building, you can step directly onto Platform 1, where you'll find a memorial dedicated to Sir Nicholas Winton. He organized the rescue of 669 children from Nazi-occupied Czechoslovakia in 1939. We have actually a video about Sir Nicholas Winton on our channel. To make our travel as smooth as possible, we always plan our trip in advance. We use the PID Lítačka app to check the time and buy tickets. PID is a public transport resource that primarily serves Prague and central Bohemian region. I will leave a link to PID website and also a link to IDOS, which covers the entire Czech Republic, including long-distance routes. So let's plan the time and let's do it in the app. Open the app and tap Search. Enter here your departure point. In this case, the departure point is Prague, main train station, so write Hlavní nádraží, which is the main train station in Czech language. This is the icon for trains, so tap this one. Then type your destination. Let's say that we will travel to Kutná Hora Hlavní nádraží. It's already here. Now choose a specific departure time. Let's set it for tomorrow at 7 a.m. We don't need to leave earlier. Let's also look at the route settings filters, where we can customize our journey preferences. Let's limit the number of allowed transfers to 1. Actually, let's set the number of transfers back to 0. Now tap on Find Route. So here are the options. Let's choose this one, the train that is leaving Prague at 8 minutes past 8. There is important information that we will need later. Obviously the departure time, then the train number, length of journey, arrival time, and zones. Zone P for our departure point, and the Zone 7 for Kutna Hora. If you tap on the selected route option, the app will take you to the map and more details, such as the number of stops. These are notes that states that you can purchase and reserve a seat in the designated carriages, that you can buy refreshments on the train, the rules for transporting bicycles, etc. This information is also important. PID travel tickets and passes are valid on this train. To purchase a ticket, click on the Tickets section. Here is an important thing. Our journey from Prague to Kutna Hora goes partly through Prague zones and partly through suburban zones. So if you don't have a pass for Prague or a longer-term Prague ticket, you'll need to purchase a Prague ticket and a suburban ticket as well. So let's buy the tickets. From Prague's main train station, you only need the basic 30-minute Prague ticket. I won't show you the process for Prague tickets here. You can find that in our video about Prague public transport, published earlier this year. Now let's buy a suburban ticket to Kutna Hora. As you already know, Kutna Hora is in Zone 7. You can see Zone 7 here. One adult ticket costs 84 Czech crowns, and it's valid for 2.5 hours after activation. Reduced ticket for seniors and children cost 42 Czech crowns. So tap here on the Zone 7 option. Adjust the number of tickets. We need 2, so set that here. Now tap Buy Tickets and follow the payment instructions. Once the payment is complete, the tickets will appear in the app's wallet. We'll activate them about 1 minute before the train departs. We are now at the Prague main train station. We already bought our tickets last night in the app, but if you don't have the app, don't worry, you can buy tickets at the ticket office at the station. You can also buy the designated seats here if the train offers them. Let's check now where our train will leave from. See? Our train is the one that leaves at 8:08. As you can see, it leaves from platform 4J.
R17 operated by České dráhy to Tábor, Veselí nad Lužnicí, and Gmín, departing
The train is arriving, so let's activate our tickets.